UMLA ke Seng NCP Saleng Sangma Sha ka arpulai tere ukalaling kot araja arpulai ulahiar shuki no kemu UMLA ke gambe gre ya ke shithi e no kam jong u ulalit ban IT House Secretary ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly usaleng ulong bo unsa Pyniasnoh pat elade bat ke Seng Congress.
Especially the NCP, it seems like they are not serious. Whereas I just cannot take, right along with the, with them actually, because my objective is to change, at least do some kind of a reformations to the people. If the Delhi is not that serious, why would I go with them? My whole objective is for the people. If, to bring about the changes, I need a serious player actually, a bigger platform. Now with NCP, it seems like I'm stuck. I just cannot spread my wings. So that's the reason why I'm resigning from the NCP and then even from the MLAs as an NCP MLA today.
Why Congress?
Everybody has left Congress, and yet I'm, instead going back. It seems like maybe somebody might be thinking I'm a fool or maybe an idiot, but it will definitely give a little bigger platform than the, NCP. That's why I'm choosing, because my whole objective is for the people only. I want to do something for the people. That's why I need a bigger platform. So at least with Congress, there will be we actually, not I anymore. You got my point? Right now with NCP, I'm totally alone. Only I. So with I cannot do, especially in a democracy. So we need a team. That's why at least I'll have a team in Congress. So that way we can say that we can do something for the people of Meghalaya.